Okay, let's open. Ding, da, da, da. You think what is inside? But later on, you will know. I get new unboxing just delivered today. Okay, I will open it. Okay, let us open. You guess what's inside this one? Okay, it's very thrill. I will give you a thrill. What is inside? Okay. Okay, I'm going to open. You guess what is this? It's a thing. It's a thing. You can wear it. You can put on your. It's a surprise. Okay. Okay. While watching with me to unbox this. Okay, you think what is this? Surprise. Okay, let's open. Ding, da, da, da. You think what is inside? But later on, you will know. Surprise! Okay, let's open. Ding, da, da, da. You think what is inside? But later on, you will know. Surprise! It's a watch. G-Shock. See? It's G-Shock watch. Okay. See? See? G-Shock. Okay. G-Shock, Dragon Ball Z, and the other one, G-Shock also. It's a G-Shock. Okay, this one is a G-Shock Dragon Ball Z. Okay, okay, I will show you. It's orange color. See? Very nice. See? I will show you first, huh? Okay. As you can see. Yeah. You can see. Okay. Okay, I'll put first like this. Then the other one, G-Shock. See? Here it is. See? G-Shock protection. Very nice. Red color. Okay, I will show you. You can see. Then See, I'll try to put on my hand. See, very nice. You can see. Okay, guys, I will try to put on my hands. Okay. Then I will show you. Very nice because it's a water resistant. Okay, you can see. Nice, right? Like, if you like, comment down below. Okay, nice color. It's red color. Okay, I'll take out first. Okay, let's put her first, then another one. Very nice also the color. See, boy and actually G-Shock, boy and girls can wear. G-Shock one piece is different also. See, G-Shock one piece. Right, this is the name. Okay, as you can see the box. Oh, okay. Then, okay, I will open. I will try so that you can see how it looks when I wear. Okay. Oh, very nice also. You can see. So nice. Okay. As you can see. Okay. The orange color, the red color, yellow, here's I unboxed today G-Shock watch. Ayan. This is the box of the G-Shock. Okay. And this is the paper bag because I will put inside this one. And this is the manual. Ayan. This is the warranty card. Ayan. That's all, the box. Okay, this is all my unboxing for today. This is the receipt. And I give you a slight view to the receipt. Okay. The paper bag. Okay, this is all my unboxing for today. Please like if you like, and comment down below, and don't forget to share if you like my video, and you comment down below what is your favorite color. This is all my unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.